In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Binance app voucher to redeem cashback or token vouchers effectively. Whether you're new to Binance or looking to make the most out of your voucher rewards, you'll find this guide simple and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once inside the app, navigate your way to what's known as the Rewards Hub. This section is your gateway to unlocking a wide variety of offers and discounts, customized for different types of users. Here, you'll see a tab labeled My Vouchers. Tapping on this section reveals different categories, but for now, focus on the area named Ongoing. This tab is particularly important as it lists all the active vouchers that are currently available for you to access. If you're in possession of a particular voucher code, it's time to put it to use. Simply tap on the option that says Voucher Code. Type in your code accurately and then proceed to claim it. This claim action is definitive. It ensures that the benefits associated with your code are activated right away. Now let's switch our focus to cashback or token vouchers. To find these, head over to the rewards shop. This shop is like a mini marketplace filled with diverse voucher options. Here you can hunt for the specific voucher that you wish to avail yourself of. Once you spot the right one, the action is simple. Just tap on Use or Claim to activate the voucher. Each type of voucher serves a unique purpose. When it comes to cashback vouchers, these are designed to alleviate some of the costs associated with spot trading fees. Think of it as a way to save on your trading expenses. After activating a cashback voucher, rest assured any trading fee incurred will not go to waste. Instead, the equivalent amount will be deducted from your voucher balance and returned to your spot wallet as USDT. The best part, you'll see this refund appear the very next day, providing a seamless return back process. If you're utilizing a token voucher, the experience is delightfully straightforward. By activating it, the specified token amount, perhaps it's in USDT, will instantly reflect in your spot wallet. This immediate transfer is one of the benefits that can greatly enhance your trading flexibility. Finally, it's crucial to keep an eye on your voucher details to maximize your benefits. Regularly visit the Rewards Hub and check the My Vouchers section. It's here that you'll monitor your voucher balance and be able to track any upcoming expiry dates. This ensures you make the most out of each voucher before it loses its validity. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on using the Binance app to redeem cashback and token vouchers. Thanks for joining me today and happy trading.